Hi folks, Joseph Kursky here with Map Tie On, welcoming you to week 15 of our global geography course. Week 15. We are going to be, it's just so exciting. We're going to be looking at past and current events through the perspective of geography, past and current events. Remember, we talked way back at the beginning of the course about geography being about space, yes, and about time. The temporal component has always been important to geography. So here's a checklist to keep you focused for week 15. Watching this video is one of them. Oh, look at those clouds. Awesome. Then you're going to be responding and looking at the weekly readings. You're going to be digging into some oddities, places, thought leaders, as always this week. You're going to be reading and doing some hands-on activities and then submitting your work from the hands-on activities. And we're going to be completing the weekly quiz. So that's what is on tap for week 15. The readings will include the foundations for looking at events through the geographic perspective. Okay, the geographic perspective. The Silk Road, not just the Silk Road of antiquity, but today's Silk Road. So it has past and current implications throughout Asia, Europe, and even parts of Africa. Then we're going to examine the American Dust Bowl from the 1930s, a very significant event in the life of the USA, and we're going to look at it in a geographic context. We're also going to be looking at a local disaster from the early part of the 20th century involving a sticky substance. A sticky substance. So it's a sticky issue, but one that was very serious that we'll take a look at. As always, this week you will look at a place. Our place is going to be latitude-longitude intersections. Full degree latitude-longitude intersections. What's there? What's not there? And what geographic inferences and conclusions can we make from examining those photographs? Our thought leader is going to be Joshua A. Miele, for the reasons that I hope you'll find interesting, that we'll dig into. The tool is going to be the Geospatial Technology Competency Model. The Geospatial Technology Competency Model. That's kind of a mouthful. GTCM, and why it's relevant to your career pathway. The event is going to be the grim details of the 2023 earthquakes in Turkey and Syria. 2023 earthquakes. And the geographic oddity is going to be the Unclaimed Baggage Center, which actually happens to be located, as some of you may know, right in Alabama. Right in Alabama. Why is it there? What is it all about? What do they do there? So that's the geographic oddity. Our activities are going to be two important events, since that's our theme for this week. Analyzing land use change and land cover change in Madagascar. And then finally, political tensions in the South China Sea. Very relevant to today's world. Now, when people ask of me, what would you like to be now that you're not a kid anymore? I know just what to say. I answer right away. There's just one thing I've been wishing for. I want to do geography. I want to do geography. That's the most important thing to me. And if I did geography, yes, oh yes, geography, what a grateful, thankful person I'd be. Oh gosh, that was terrible. Thanks for being with me. We'll see you online in week 15 of our course.